Welcome to this video showing how to set up a product in the WVU eCommerce Marketplace Mall. After logging in, hover over the Applications menu and choose Marketplace. Click your store's name. Expand the menu until you reach Store Settings. In the menu, click Products. Click Add Product. For this video, my product will be Payment for a Conference. The first field I need to complete is the product name field. I will enter Annual Conference. Enter a short and long description. This can be plain text or in HTML. Enter the price and then click Continue. The shipping class applies when you have a physical product to be shipped and is based on your responses to the intake questionnaire. All products are considered taxable unless you have been given permission to change this field to no tax. Do not change this field to no tax unless you have been given this approval. Click Continue. Click Add Product Image in order to locate a file on your computer. The maximum width and height for an image is 800 by 800 pixels, but it may be smaller as long as the width and height are the same. The maximum size is 500 kilobytes. If you do not choose an image, a default tag will appear on the store's web page. Click Continue. When you click Yes to add an option, you will be able to offer your shoppers variations on the product. Those variations could be size and color or another characteristic that you define. Click Continue. The default options are size and color, but you may add your own options. Click Continue. Add the values for the options, such as blue t-shirts and gold t-shirts. Then click Continue. These settings are for the blue t-shirt to be given to attendees at the conference. You can change the price if necessary. Click Assign Random Number. You can limit the quantity, track the inventory, and place a message on the website when inventory has run out. It is not recommended to disable the product on the website. You can get an email notification when the item runs out. You can allow customers to order the product even when it has run out, but is expected to be available soon. You will need to choose whether this will be auto-fulfilled or manually fulfilled. Manual fulfillment applies when this is a product to be shipped. Auto-fulfill applies when this is an event registration or a similar product. When the product will be manually fulfilled, you can enter the email of the store employee who needs to be notified that the product will need to be shipped. Complete the same fields for all options. Click Confirm and then OK. The product will automatically be listed on the home page. However, you can choose a different category that has been set up for you by ITS. If desired, click the Store home page to move the product off the home page and click the category to place it in. You can also have a product be ordered only through a direct link, and you can have the product not be available for sale. You may want to do this if you are creating a product that will be a template for other products but will not be available for sale. Click Continue. To ask questions of the shopper during checkout, you must add modifiers. To access those, click the name of the product in the list of products. Click Add Modifier. 3 types of modifiers are available. In a drop-down modifier, a radio button will be displayed to the shopper, and the shopper can pick one answer only. The default is optional, but you can change this. If you have customers that may be paying for more than one product on the same credit card, choose Dynamic. That will force the questions to be asked for as many orders were placed. For example, If one person is paying for event registration for 5 registrants, these questions will be asked 5 times. You can adjust the price here. Enter the increase. Indicate that the price will decrease by putting in a minus sign and then the amount of the decrease. Check the box to apply to all options and then click Add Modifier. For a text entry modifier, you have many of the same fields that were required for the drop-down modifier. In addition, you can choose whether to validate the answer. You can also enter a minimum or maximum number of characters. Click Add Modifier. When you set up a multiple selection checkbox, your shoppers can select more than one item. After all modifiers are built, you can enter a sort order. You can also group some modifiers in a single row. To do that, for the first and last name, click Table Builder. Name the table. Then click the drop-down arrow and choose the fields one at a time, each time selecting Add Modifier to Table. After you have built the table, click Save. You can set the order in which the modifiers should appear. To preview what the store will look like, go back to the Marketplace home and click View Store Preview in the row for your store. Notice the store has a price of $150 to $160 because the shopper may choose a gold t-shirt, which is $10 extra. This is what the shopper will see. The shopper has a drop-down for the color of the t-shirt, can enter a quantity, and can then click Add to Cart. The shopper will be able to enter the first and last name, choose an entree, and then choose 2 side dishes. The shopper will then be ready to check out. Back in the list of your products, when you click the Settings menu, you can clone this product and use it as a template for other products. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching.